In this video, we will show you the way to see how a design will stitch out using the slow redraw. Slow redraw provides a realistic preview of the embroidery process. You can start slow redraw using this icon or using the Shift and the F11 key as keyboard shortcut. Once you have created a design, you can use the slow redraw to review your design before the actual production. At first, you see a preview of the artwork, but no stitches. This icon marks the start of the design. By pressing Start, the simulation begins. As you can see, it is a realistic preview, and as it would happen in an actual embroidery machine, the hoop is moving. Using this pattern, you can switch to better on-screen preview, where only the head moves. Many people prefer the view that is like watching an embroidery machine. Choose the one that suits you. Dragging this scroll bar, you can adjust the speed of the simulation. Make it faster or slower. You can always stop at any point and resume whenever you like. Have in mind that you can click at any point to navigate to the closest stitch. Using these buttons, you can navigate through objects and stitches. Using this button, you can navigate to the start of the design, and using this one to the end of the design. Using this button, you navigate to the previous object, and using this one to the next object. Finally, using those in the middle, you can move stitch by stitch. One more reason to use slow redraw is to actually see the final design. The real-time preview is not always the final one, as the software automatically applies optimizations for the design only upon exporting. For example, these letters seem to have a connection stitch. And it is 6 mm, so it shall not exist in the actual embroidery, as in the optimizer options, the minimum trimming distance is 5 mm. But in the preview, you can still see those connecting stitches. In slow redraw, though, such stitches do not appear because what you see in slow redraw is the final design. Using slow redraw, you can spot any possible problems that may appear during the actual embroidery process and correct them at this early stage.